Hi, I'm Gopi Thangavel, Senior Vice President for the Enterprise IT Infra, Managing Operations Projects. See, without data, understanding the data, we cannot do anything. Either existing data or either we are able to predict what is happening from the existing and learning from the data and how we are going to achieve it, what we are planning to achieve. Simple example is right now you look at the Google cars or Tesla cars, everything. So each and everything is getting observed. So when you are getting the existing data, you are able to understand what needs to be done. And currently everyone doing it, like a large data, they are betting into small bits and pieces and they are analyzing it. That's okay. But that will not survive for a long time. So they want to get into the futuristic predictive analysis. Okay, with this data, that means what is my sales going to be? Can I do this? Can I do that? So that is also not going to be sufficient when you look at the future. That's where other detailed deep data is coming to the picture. And over and above, when you talk about the data, all the organization contain employee data, customer data, everything's data, which is we call it dark data. So how you are handling the dark data also going to be a big picture. So overall, when you look at the data management and understanding the data, make use of the data, that is the key thing. When you look at the cloud, first, are we ready with the virtualizations? So if your enterprise or your organization 60% already ready with the virtualization, of course you are ready for the cloud. If you are not ready, then first the recommendation, virtualize your organization. So virtualize all the application server, everything. Then you move to the cloud. And cloud is nothing but, not only scalability, because some of the sales, month end, it will be the peak sales. And you cannot just go and buy whatever you want. So cloud is the optimum solution for it. But at the same time, when you talk about the cloud, the speed is very important. So, of course, when you think about the 5G kind of new technology is coming, we can get into the next level. Now, multiple SaaS service provider, PaaS service provider, so much is there and it's much mature than compared to last 5 years or 10 years. So, we are already there, I think. See, first we have to understand who is your audience. See, there is a 3 buckets. One is the internal bucket. Another one is B2B, your customer bucket. Another one is pure business partner buckets. So when you talk about the internal, your employees, other departments, everything together. So artificial intelligence may, when you do the cognitive analysis, it will help you to take a certain decision using artificial intelligence. But artificial intelligence is not sufficient to do that. You need a machine learning for that. Because based on the machine learn whatever the data you have, artificial intelligence will advise you what to do. So first ensure that which is your audience, because whatever the logic you are applying may not have logical applies to other segments actually. So understand your audience, and second is what you want to achieve. Be clear on that. Third is you have to be clear on one thing, what are the assets you have and how you make sure that you are using it. So if you are not able to use what you have, then it doesn't make any sense to go and buy, So ensure that you are using it. And fourth is be open and integration of your existing employee, learning the new skill, bringing the fresh blood from outside, integrating them with the new skills, and that's the way out. Otherwise, people are what happened 20 years, 30 years, they survive, and they may not aware what is AI or whatever it is. They strongly believe that it will steal our jobs, kind of myth. Actually, it will create multiple new jobs actually. And when you bring the fresh blood, it will be integration together. We can achieve whatever we want, the business goal. So the ultimatum is the business goal. So that's the main thing.